The EU's groundbreaking AI Act faces potential delays, sparking a debate about innovation, regulation, and international pressure. The European Commission is considering postponing parts of its Artificial Intelligence Act, the world's first comprehensive AI regulation. This move comes amidst significant pressure from both businesses and, notably, the administration of Donald Trump. But why the hesitation? The AI Act, which officially came into effect in August 2024, aims to regulate AI across various risk levels. However, many of its key provisions aren't slated to be enforced until August 2026, or even a year later, for high-risk AI systems that could impact health, safety, or fundamental rights. Reports suggest the Commission is mulling over a one-year grace period for companies that might initially breach the rules concerning high-risk AI. For example, providers of generative AI, think systems that create text or images, who already have products on the market could get a temporary reprieve. This is to allow them time to adapt without causing market disruption, according to internal documents. Furthermore, the Commission is considering delaying penalties for not following the new AI transparency rules until August 2027. This is to give AI system providers and users enough time to implement the necessary changes. They're also exploring more flexibility for developers of high-risk AI systems regarding how they monitor their product's performance, possibly allowing them to follow less strict guidelines. But here's where it gets controversial. The US, particularly under the Trump administration, has been vocal in its opposition to strict tech regulations. Trump has even threatened tariffs on countries with digital taxes or tech regulations he deems harmful to American tech companies. Adding to the pressure, Meta, a major player in the tech world, has chosen not to sign the Commission's Code of Practice for general-purpose AI models. They argue that the code creates legal uncertainties and goes beyond the scope of the AI Act. It's not just US companies that are raising concerns. Numerous European businesses are also calling for a 2-year pause on the Act, citing the need for reasonable implementation and simplification of the new rules. An open letter signed by leaders from 46 companies, including Airbus and Mercedes-Benz, supports this delay, arguing it would demonstrate Europe's commitment to simplification and competitiveness. Thomas Renier, a European Commission spokesperson, stated that they are still reflecting on potentially delaying parts of the AI Act. He emphasized that the Commission remains fully committed to the Act and its objectives, while also asserting the EU's sovereign right to legislate, regardless of external pressure. And this is the part most people miss. The core question is, does the push for flexibility undermine the Act's goals, or does it strike a necessary balance between innovation and regulation? What do you think? Are you in favor of the potential delays, or do you believe the EU should stick to its original timeline? Share your thoughts in the comments below.